Today we will prepare cut-off fishes with beans. It's very easy to prepare. We need these ingredients: some cut-off fishes, some beans, and some parsley. In a pot we will put to boil some cut-off fishes we cleaned before. Let's add some salt. When the cooking is complete, let's drain the cut-off fishes. Let's put in the saucepan the cut-off fishes. Let's add the beans we boiled before. And let's season them with some black pepper, some parsley, and some olive oil. Let's mix everything. And let's compose the dish. This dish is very simple and fast to prepare. Let's decorate the dish with some parsley, the tickle of oil, and the dish is ready.
E andiamo a condire con del pepe nero, prezzemolo e dell'olio extravergine d'oliva. Misceliamo il tutto e andiamo a comporre il piatto. Come vedete, come preparazione è un piatto abbastanza veloce e semplice da presentare. Decoriamo con un po' di prezzemolo sopra, un filo d'olio e il piatto è pronto.
Buon appetito!